Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a super quick unboxing of the January subscription kit. It is currently, January 5th. I'll probably put this video up today, so you'll be watching it hopefully the 5th, 6th, we are sold out, but we have a wait list going on. If you send me an email at sweetbeanplans@gmail.com, and then if anyone cancels or a few more spots open up, I am able to email you before subscriptions close January 10th. So let's get started. I brought these up too so that I can show you the Hobonichi kits. But let me show you the vertical because it's got the most pages. So Jake actually packed all of these yesterday, so I gotta put it back carefully. Like, make sure not to damage any stickers. So it comes with a little bag of die cuts, which I'm going to open up also carefully and show you real quick. So the little bag has, I think, 4 die cuts. It's got this little booked one. We have a book with flowers. We have a little like Nook / Kindle e-reader thing with some cozy socks. And then, of course, our signature coffee tray. Super cute. I love the colors for this month. So I'm going to put these back. Be careful with them. The other day, I dropped the little book with flowers on the floor, and I didn't notice right away, and Rambo destroyed it. He ate half of it, and then the other half was like all slobbered and disgusting, so could not save it. All right, let's dive into the kit. So it comes with a little deco sheet of the die cuts you just saw. And then this one's also part of, or art of the kit, so I included that in there. We have an entire sheet of coffee trays, an entire sheet of flat lays, and oh, these flat lays give me life. So we have this little e-reader one with a croissant, which I love. And we had a croissant in our last kit too, and I don't know why I'm obsessed with them right now, but I especially like drawing them. Then we have this like blank book one here. We have some currently reading stickers, which have been a hit since I showed them, so I'm gonna probably do a slight reformatting because I like to keep the things that are in subscriptions exclusive to the subscription, so I might make just a little bit of a change and then bring these to the shop. And then we have these little bookshelf dividers here, which are part of the washi actually, but I just really love this design. And since they're 1.5 inches across or wide, they're like a great little divider box. So let me put this back together and I will show you the kit. So we've got page 1 is all the full boxes, and oh, I just love this kit so much. So we have a little scene right here with a bookshelf full of books and other goodies, and a little kind of like an Easter egg with a Harry Potter pillow. But like it could also be reading glasses, just saying. We have this booked with little bookshelf, or not bookshelves, but like book piles here. We've got the coffee tray, we've got the little book with the flowers, we have an entire full box of bookshelves. No, an entire full box of books. Is that what I just said, or I don't know what I said. An entire full box of bookshelves. I feel like try saying that 5 times fast. You'll mess it up too. Then we have a book with a cinnamon roll and a coffee. We've got the little e-reader with socks, a pile of books with a candle, and a little bubble box that says "Shh, I'm reading," and then I love the door that says "Do not disturb reading." I don't know why I'm obsessed with these like door scenes, but I actually have one in the February subscription. I have no idea what got into me while I was designing these. Then we've got checklist. The bottom washi gives me so much life. It is so pretty. I love the bookshelves so much. And then we've got headers. I love this teal color. And then we've got half boxes, quarter boxes, all the functional goodies you could possibly need. So that is it for the full kit. I'm gonna put all of this back quite carefully, hopefully. Sometimes when I open something or when I'm like repacking your albums, because I have to take them out to put the stickers on them and then put them back in the bag, I stick the sticky stuff on the table, and that way the sticky stuff has no chance of getting on the stickers. So, and of course, I left this out. I'll put that in afterwards. And then it also comes with an exclusive roll of washi. This month's is hollow foil, and it's got those little book, the little book scenes, like book piles, and then it's got a book. Actually, I can show you. So I rolled it out right here. It's got hollow foil. It has the little book piles here, and then it's got hollow foiled books and the hearts, and the books inside say I'm reading and I'm booked. And perfect match to the kit. Like, look how pretty that is. It is a perfect match. And I brought these here because I wanted to really quick go over the Hobonichi and PP Weeks formats. So the deco stickers are exactly the same, so I won't pull those out. But this is the PP Weeks version, and you get 4 pages, which is so much for the PP Weeks because it's a very small planner. So you can totally stretch these out to cover probably 2 weeks if you wanted to. All you need is like another set of date covers. But anyway, so it's got these 2 pages right here. There's full boxes in all of these pages. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna put these back. Probably not in the same order Jake had them, but it's okay. Put them back in here as carefully as possible. And then I will show you the Hobonichi ones. And I've been just so excited for this book kit because I just love to set, this is the Hobonichi, I love to set reading goals in the beginning of the year, and it's just such a great time to do vision boards and set goals and all that stuff. And so just reading is a very popular theme in the beginning of the year, I feel like. So with the Hobonichi, you also get 4 pages. So you have this one with the long strips and a bunch of functionals. This one has the little square boxes and a ton of full boxes here. This one has checklists, some script, a bunch of dividers, these little sticky note boxes. And then this one has 2 sets of date covers, so you can totally stretch this one out for 2 weeks. And it's got the bottom washi, some more little washi here that you could totally like stack up to make bottom washi if you wanted to stretch it out another week. And so, yep, that is the Hobonichi kit. And then I showed you guys the washi. And so that is everything for the January kit. I hope you guys love it. If you're subscribed, thank you so much. And I hope you like this little spoiler. And if you would like to sign up, send me an email so you can join the wait list. And I will be opening up probably, I'll probably be opening up another 25 to 30 spots for February. So yeah, I'll be back soon with another video. Bye!